In this video, we are going to talk about recruitment bias.
What is a bias?
I can explain you what a bias is.
According to the Oxford Dictionary, a bias can be defined as a systematic distortion of the statistical results due to a factor not allowed in their derivation. In other words, a bias in any influence that provides a distortion in the results of a study.
And why do we have to understand this concept?
This is why. Bias exists in our research process and is difficult to eliminate. Bias can occur at each stage of the research process. It impacts on the validity and reliability of study findings, and its misinterpretation may have clinical consequences. In research, there are many types of biases, but this time we will go over recruitment bias.
So a recruitment bias, it consists of a preferential recruitment of a part of a population of study subjects, which in turn will invalidate the study findings. Hence, the recruitment bias threatens the external validity and generalizability of the study findings.
There are different potential sources of recruitment bias. One of them are selective survival and loss to follow-up. That's when individuals leave the study before it ends. Another type is hospital patient bias. That's when hospital patients may yield to different results. The third type of potential source of recruitment bias is volunteer and non-response bias. That happens when those who volunteer may have different characteristics than those who don't. And the last one is health work effects. That happens when working individuals are healthier than those who are not working.
And how can we avoid such thing in a study?
It's not so simple, but there are some ways.
So basically, we have three ways to avoid recruitment bias in a study. First one is to select patients using rigorous criteria, and then we can select patients from the same general population, and finally we can select subgroups which are equivalent to the population.
Alors, la prochaine fois que vous envisagez de mener une étude, assurez-vous qu'elle ne soit pas biaisée.
Bien sûr, merci.